Now we will install the ICEPURE under-sink water filtration system. First we will unpack the box, and you will see that there is a larger box and a smaller box. The larger box contains the water filter head and filter. The filter here can be removed easily by turning to the left until you hear the click and then pull it up. Now let's take a look at the accessory kit. Inside the accessory kit we have the in and outlet hose, we have the mounting template, the manual, and a smaller bag which contains some smaller accessories. First is the Teflon tape, then you have 3 mounting screws, one is for spare. We have the 3/8 inch and the 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch adapters, and we also have the quick release tool, which I will explain later. First, we need to find the desired location. It must be within 23 inches of the valve, and it must be the cold water valve. You have the installation template, which we will take off the sticky for the top and the bottom. Then we'll place it in such a way that it's 4 inches from the bottom. We're going to start the installation with a variable speed drill with a number 2 Phillips head. There are 3 screws that are supplied, but 1 is spare. These 2 will be used. So we'll take that one there. Over there. Drill through the holes marked on the template. Leave 1/3 of an inch on each screw so that the head can fall over top of it. These 2 holes are going to line up with these 2 screws. So you put it in there. So you will wiggle it and push down, make sure that it is firm and not going to fall off, and also that the filter is tight and that there is space. If everything feels okay, you can remove the filter, then discard the template, and replace the filter head back onto the 2 screws. Once again repeating the wiggling process to make sure that the filter and head are all nice and tight. Although the product usage is 20,000 gallons, this particular product is smaller than most at 13.5 inches. Now that we've finished the installation and mounting, we need to determine the under cabinet compression size of the valve. You could find either a 1/2 inch FIP or a 3/8 inch OD compression outlet under the kitchen cabinet. This is a 3/8 compression outlet, and this is a 1/2 inch FIP outlet. If you have any other sizes of outlet valves, you need to purchase adapters individually. If the water inlet valve is a 3/8 compression connection, you can connect the system directly. Turn off the cold water inlet valve. Turn the water on, let it drain, and then turn it off. At first, we want to place the towel underneath the cold water valve so that any residue water will be collected. Then we'll take the adjustable wrench and we will start to remove the hose. Now we will disconnect the hose from the valve. Now we install the inlet hose to the valve, first using our fingers to get it nearly tight, and then we will switch over to the adjustable wrench. Now we will connect the outlet hose into the faucet hose. Once again, we're using our fingers to begin the tightening process, When we get it nearly tight, we will then use the adjustable wrench to finish the tightening. We're going to connect the outlet hose and the inlet hose into the device through these fittings here. So you'll put it in and push it in until you hear the click. Now we're going to insert the outlet hose line, and you push it until you hear the click. At this point you can turn on the cold water valve. We'll turn on the water. This is completely normal. There's trapped air in the system and it has to come out. Leave the water running for about 30 seconds and then turn off and let the system pressurize. Enjoy fresh and healthy filtered water right from your faucet without any worries. ICEPURE under sink water filtration systems are the right choice.